Good morning, guys. So today is what day is it? Oh, Sunday. Baby, what you get? You get 11, innit? Sunday, the 11th of December. I'm still busy with VLOGMAS, and today I'm working on a skirt. It's currently like 10:15 again in the morning. Right now, give me 10:15, and I'm about to start working on this skirt. They're coming to fit later. And we load shedding at 12. But I'm gonna be done. It's nothing too complicated. So yeah, I'm gonna start cutting now. So it's currently quarter to 12. We are load sharing at 12, but I'm gonna try and use the 16 minutes to put together what I can. Good evening, guys. It's currently 11 p.m. and earlier we had load shedding at 12, and we decided to go to Joburg to run a few errands. We got back around 6:15, but then the client came around 6:30 for fittings. So fittings went really well. Everything fit perfectly. The husband's shirt, though, I just need to open up a little bit on the sides, but there's enough allowance for that, so it's not a big job. And then for the ladies' skirt, I just need to finish it off and put a zip, which is what I'm gonna start doing now. And then what else do I need to do? Oh, the bow for the little daughter. So yeah, everything went well. Chatting a bit. I'm about to now finish off the skirt, but I just want to do the flare part of it, and then the rest I'll finish off tomorrow. Hey guys, I come back. It's currently 1:05 in the morning, and I'm done with what I was busy with, which is the flared part of the skirt. Yeah, I was basically just giving my partner moral support because he had a lot of work to do. So I was like, let me also try to push my work. but there is no rush for the skirt really. It's due on Thursday. Today is Sunday, well, Monday now. So yeah, my eyes are closing now though, so I'm gonna sleep. I'll talk to you later. Hey guys, so I'm done with this skirt. Today is Thursday. The last time we spoke was on Monday, somewhere there. I think Monday, 1 a.m. That's the last time we spoke. But anyway, the past few days I haven't done any work. I just started working again today. And these are leaving in a couple of hours. So this is the completed skirt. I love this skirt, guys. I think I want to introduce it as part of our ready-to-wear collection. Look at how stunning it looks. Amazing, right? Guys, we are load shedding, so it's a bit dark in the house, but this is the shirt for the husband. And this is the bow. I put this clip on it, which I got from Pep. So the daughter will just clip it on and off, basically. So yeah, there we go. I'm done with this order and it's gonna leave any minute now. So yeah.